Just.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glowed.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, hi, I'm Shake. Welcome to my channel. If you are interested in my kind of content, which is lifestyle, sometimes beauty content, yeah, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell to be notified when I make a video. So yes, you see from the title, you also see from the thumbnail, you also see from my face, we are doing some Christmas themed cleaning, not shopping, cleaning and decorating. So yeah, we have started from morning. I'm going to show you what we have done so far. Me totally never remember somebody did supposed to have vlog anyways. So yes, I'm going to show you the progress of what we're doing, right? All right, so this is sister. She and I, or we don't know English. Anyways, so these are the curtains we're going to put up. Okay. All right, and we are in this section. Yeah, doing a lot of dusting. We wipe the windows and all of that. The chairs, we fix up those, Yeah, so we're gonna wipe and then put up the curtains and then put up some decorations over this. All right, guys, the curtains be great. They're popping. Anyways, so this is what the hall looks like right now. So cute. The curtains make such a difference. So I'm gonna be doing some decor, and we're gonna put on these on the pillows. So I'll find all of them. Shani's around in the background sweeping.
No one's in the house decorate, just call me and Shaki. Trust me, we can do it for you. Don't worry.
Alright guys, so this is what we have now. We just put down the pillows as you guys saw. Yeah, so Shanique is right now putting on the tablecloth. Before you put on that, you still have put on the, is something more by? Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna put on that. I'll get that. Anyways, so the things we bought out of Shein, we're gonna put on right now, which is this. The runner thing. Yeah. Let's see how this works. So we're going to put on the chair covers right now. We're going to take it off on this side. Let me show you guys. It is so cute. I want to look at that. Move out of my shop now. Girl. Yeah. I like this. I like this for we. Merry Christmas. And it made the chair them so tall. Like, ooh. Make the chairs look so tall.
Alright, so the 6 is for the table.
Alright, yeah. I like that. Alright, so Shanique going to put these around the house, 6 for the table, the rest of them go and put down like around the house, so that whoever is drinking or whatever, them put them drinks and not on the table, you know, put it on that. Yeah. Alright, so we need to put up these now. We need to figure out where we're going to put the stockings, and throughout the time of December we're going to buy stuff and put in our stockings. Alright guys, so I found places to put them, so this is where I put them. So yeah, looking Christmas-fied. I love this so far, people. Like, the house is coming together. I love this. I just want to look there. Like, that table alone. Anyways, yeah. We'll have that all around here, so we're gonna do. So we're going to do it after. So dry them up. That's what I do too. So yes, we're gonna get that all done. Hopefully by tonight.
Alright,
Yeah, tonight.
I'm gonna wash the plate and cook. And then anything else after me figure it out.
Alright guys, so this is the current situation. I cleaned the windows. I already did over there. Shanique did up there. She's doing that little table, and she put on the Christmas tree. Of that for makeup, put up the, what I call it, the curtains, which is this one. Oh no, I lied, she changed. I think I want green one. Green, right?
Oh.
Green curtain.
No, that's a go.
Oh, this. So this is going up. Alright. So yeah, that's what it looks like so far. Almost done. So we're going to do this and then do the kitchen. Just clean up the kitchen because the kitchen won't clean. And then we're going to be done for today. So I'm going to show you the end product of this. And then, you know, the other parts of the vlog will not be right now. Alright guys, we are done with this one. So another room down. All Christmassy. All clean. Yeah. Shanika, watch our match. Hey guys, future Shaki here, editing this vlog. Realize I did not end this vlog, so coming on to end the vlog right now. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for watching this vlog. If you made it to the end, I am forever grateful for you guys. Thank you so much. I hope you guys, well, if you have watched it to the end, I'm thinking you guys enjoyed, so thank you so much. Don't forget, if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever I make a video. So yes, you can see like a preview of my room. Yeah, I won't be doing like a decorate with me for my room. However, I will be showing you guys what my room looks like, like a little mini room tour in like a vlog or something very soon, so in the future. Yeah. All right, so hope you guys enjoyed again. Well, you guys enjoyed. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.